John grew up in an environment where smoking and unhealthy habits were the norm, and by the time he turned 30, he could barely catch his breath. Inspired by a loved one's battle with a smoking-related illness, John decided to fight back one day at a time. Initially, his lungs burned, making even a short jog a struggle, but his determination to regain his health kept him going. With every smoke-free month and each weightlifting session, John felt himself getting stronger, gaining 10 pounds of muscle within the year. John's journey wasn't just about quitting smoking and building muscles. It was about rebuilding his life, proving to himself that he was far more resilient than he ever believed possible.